Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is March 9th, 2023. As always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Today is a good example of how you would lose money. So, as you can see on this chart today, you will quickly notice that the market had a pretty rough day. In the morning, it started pretty well. We gapped up and we had a pretty strong cash open, almost reaching the 40-20 level right here. But unfortunately, they decided to turn it around and bring it back down. Not any real news on why we had such a major turnaround, such a rapid sell-off. There was one issue with one of the banking institutions, however, and overall the banking sector, because of it, was very beat up today. But was that enough to bring the whole market down the way it did? I don't know. Another possibility is that there's a lot of anticipation for bad jobs numbers tomorrow, which possibly could have started a sell-off. But again, this is a pretty intense sell-off right here, even more intense than it would be during, like a Powell speech or something like that. So, yeah, not much to say here except the fact that it was pretty painful, probably for a lot of people. And I'll show you in here in a second with the trades. You could see why you would be losing money if you follow this strategy. So here we go. This is for tomorrow. This is the 10th of March, and this is today. So you could see the only thing that were left here are the calls. So it sold three calls. Obviously, those expired worthless. And I had one put that I rolled from yesterday. So it was somewhere at the 3990 level. I'm sorry, it was somewhere like right here, 3990. So that one obviously had to be rolled down and out. So rolled it down to 10th, rolled it up by day to the 10th of March, but rolled it down a strike price. And I entered one right below it at 3985. Let me just confirm. So 3985. Yep, and that one collected $540 for that put, and that one had to be rolled down and out as well. And here they are. And lastly, I had one other one that was from the prior day. It was also rolled out from today. And again, this was today, so they're all here. And we rolled them out till tomorrow. And I rolled them out as far as possible because tomorrow we are going to be expecting a pretty important and big announcement for the job numbers, and it's going to move the markets. Hopefully, it's going to move the markets positively, and we could recover everything we lost today. If the numbers are bad and they are perceived bearish, then this sell-off is going to continue, and this is going to be even more painful. So at that point, we'll have a really hard time rolling these puts. So there's going to be some other things that I'm going to have to do to get out of them, and stay tuned for that. So the calls expired worthless. The puts were rolled down until tomorrow, and fortunately, when you do the rolling of the puts or the calls, you are still collecting credit for that, not selling anything for a loss here. So here are the initial sells in the morning. I bought a SPY call just in case we're going to bounce up. I doubted that we would, but just in case. So then after that, here are the rolls. So we collected $70 on one of them, $140 and $90 on the other two. So all in all, pretty crappy day. Hopefully the jobs numbers bring back the market. I don't expect that we're going to rip past 4,000, but it might just bring us back to somewhere in this vicinity, and that would be great. I'm not asking for a lot. With all of these trades right here, the for the day. We collected 1,480, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. Yeah, so stay tuned, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.